So hey, it's me again, of course. This time nails. I'm gonna tag the store in the comments because I can't remember now on the top of my head the name, but I ordered for them a few times. The nails like this, press on. I had no clue what they sent me because that was like a surprise thing. I just say I like short nails. I don't remember what I paid for it. $18.99 for like 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Plus they send you extra stickers. What I do with the stickers, I put the sticker and then, don't mind my hair, I need a haircut, I look just horrible, but I use the sticker and a glue, and this way they stay a very long time. Oh, that's so cool. Look at this. This is so cool. Wow, she really sent me nice stuff. I had no clue what she's gonna send me. This is like chrome. All I say is short nails and some medium, so she really did send me something really cool. And plus she's very nice. The girl is really nice. No kidding, this is so nice. Like seriously. So this is like 14 or 15 nails. Each stay about 2 weeks, so it depends. This one have like a chain. Depends from, you know, work, what kind of work you do. So I work with my hands a lot, and sometimes they get damaged maybe quicker, maybe over a week, but still it costs less than go each time to the place making nails for like 50 bucks. So I like it. All right, thanks. I love everything. Thank you so much.